Hello everyone, I am SARIKA KHOT from TY Electrical. Today I am going to perform Docker practical using Ubuntu. Docker is one type of a software which is running on OS. The purpose behind this tutorial is to host a container of Ubuntu. For hosting container, Ubuntu must be there. First, we have to go on Windows PowerShell. The first step is pulling the image of Ubuntu. Command for pulling is docker pull. So we can see that the image is pulled. Now the second step is run the image. This is OS not application. We need not require to specify the port for this. For running image, the command is docker run interactive ubuntu latest and it is in bin bash mode. So I am running the image to create a container. Now you can go for simple ls command. Next is go for Ctrl C. Now we will check for docker ps. We can see that we created one bin bash and in bin bash mode container generated with a container id, and this was image which I was using. The image is from Docker Hub. It is not created by us. It is generated by someone else. We are just using it. Now the next objective is to can we go for any application to get generated? Yes. So we will pull the latest image of Nginx. For pulling the image, the command is docker pull Nginx latest. We can see that the image is pulled. So I have to make one more container. For that I have to give name. So we can give the command docker run hyphen ISC 2023 and I have to define port number. So port number is 40,080 Nginx. So my new container is generated with new container ID. Again we go for ps command. The container is generated, but if you have wished to use, you have to use it in bin bash mode. So we have to run exec command. In docker run command to get enter into Ubuntu, just because it does not require port number. It is a terminal. Is you need not require to go for docker exec. We have to copy the container ID, but here we have to go for docker exec interactive and you are in root of Nginx. Now you are in shell of Nginx. Now Ctrl C. After that simply docker ps. As we can see that the container C2 is generated. Here is the container ID of the container. This was image which I using. We know that the image is generated by someone else. We are only using it. Now here the port number as 40,000 as I give it in docker run command, and 80 is the source code and ISC 2023 is a name. The conclusion of this practical: C1 was Ubuntu and C2 was Nginx. These two are Linux based but still both running on Windows. So we can say that Docker runs the container independent of which kind of OS is there. Here is the two container Ubuntu and Nginx.